Welcome to my class. This one goes to 11. But what about the other 10? Constructivism and the flipped classroom. In this session, we'll explore three key constructivist theorists, connect their ideas to the flipped classroom model, and then design a lesson that cranks the activity level all the way up. Now let's meet three of the tracks on our constructivist playlist. Erik Erikson. Now, he focused on how social and cultural conflicts shape learning at different stages of development. Lev Vygotsky. Now, he emphasized how knowledge grows when learners collaborate within their zone of proximal development, with language as the bridge. Jerome Bruner. He promoted discovery learning, scaffolding, and spiral curriculum that revisits concept at increasing levels of depth. Together, these theories set the foundation for constructivist teaching. So, what does constructivism look like when we turn it up in the classroom? Learners are not passive listeners. They're actively building meaning through interaction, hands-on experience, and reflection. Teachers shift roles from being the sage on the stage to being guides and facilitators, helping students construct their own understanding. This makes learning more engaging and memorable. You could say it's like learning cranked up to 11. The flipped classroom flips the script and the dial. Instead of spending class time lecturing, students first learn the basics at home through videos. Then in class, they engage in active, collaborative, problem-solving activities. This design directly reflects constructivist principles. Students build understanding by interacting with their peers and applying knowledge, rather than just sitting and listening and memorizing. It's theory in action. For this flip lesson, the topic is photosynthesis, how plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Before class, students watch a video lecture on photosynthesis to build the foundation. That way, when they walk into class, they're ready to move beyond listening and straight into active, constructive learning. Think of the video as the opening act before the headliner takes the stage. Now, in class, students rotate through stations, each one designed to crank up the active learning. Track 1 is concept mapping, where students visually map the photosynthesis process, helping them connect and organize the knowledge. Track 2 is peer teaching. Students explain the process to one another, reinforcing understanding through collaboration. Both tracks reflect constructivism by emphasizing organization, integration, interaction, and language. Track 3 is a lab simulation where students test how light and carbon dioxide levels affect plant growth. Here they learn by discovery, mirroring Bruner's emphasis on hands-on learning. Track 4 is real-world application. Groups research how photosynthesis impacts agriculture and then present their findings. By tying abstract concept to real-world context, students see why content matters and construct a deeper meaning. And finally, track 5 is a reflection journal. Students write about what they've learned, questions they still have, and connections to their own lives. This step emphasizes self-reflection and metacognition, essential elements of constructivism learning. It ensures that each student makes content personal and meaningful. Here are all the references for the theorist, flipped classroom research, and activity framework discussed in this presentation. I want to thank you all so much for watching. And remember, constructivism doesn't stop at 10, it goes to 11.